This will be the first step in creating images to use in the CT viewer in Windows. So we're going to be using micro Dicom as well as a Python script. So I already have micro Dicom installed, so I'm going to download my Python script. So in order to run the script, you need to make sure you have Python installed. I'm going to go through the Microsoft Store for this. The first time you get here, it might say Git rather than install, and you'll have to click Git. It's free, and then you can click Install. I'm going to create a folder on my C drive for holding the Dicoms. You can put these anywhere. I'm just sticking them here because it's a little bit easier to navigate to in micro Dicom. Here's some images I have. I'll just extract them right into my folder. Okay, and we're going to see just a list of Dicom images. So what my Python script's going to do is put these in order. Many times Dicoms don't come in order spatially, and hopefully this will reorder them, so that way I don't have to do this manually. From what I read online, this isn't always guaranteed to work, but it's always worked for me so far. So give it a try. If it works, great. If not, then you'll be sorting them by hand. So extract the script archive right in with your Dicoms. There's going to be a bunch of folders and scripts that come out, but you're only worried about one. Most of these are just for the Linux solution. So go to the folder sort only scripts and pull out the sortdcm.py and put that in with your Dicoms. Now if you hold shift and right click, you will see an open PowerShell window here. Before we can run our script, we need to install a module into Python so that way you can read the Dicom data. So just copy this and use right click to paste. Alright, and now we're ready to run the script. So type Python 3 and then the name of the script, so sortdcm.py. It should say that it skipped no files, hopefully. And you see everything has been renamed to sorted and then a number. So hopefully it's in the right order now. I'm going to move these into my sort folder just so that way they're out of the way of all my scripts and stuff that I just cluttered the folder with. Open micro Dicom and go to scan for Dicom files. And now go to the folder where we just sorted the files. Okay, so I'm going to pretend we're exporting this for the viewer to use with windowing. So I'm going to create a new window here that is 2000 HUs wide. So start it at 0, which is the water density, and then we're going to do 2000. So it's going to go all the way down to air, 0 out at water, and then go all the way up to 1000. So let's apply our window. And with micro Dicom, you need to scroll through all of the images to apply the window to each slice before actually exporting. Okay, now go to File, Export to Picture File. Name the folder that you want it to be exported to. Pick a PNG for the format because this won't be the last thing we do to it, and we want to keep the image lossless for now. Make sure you don't have an overlay because that's all that white text. It's pretty ugly. Okay, and it looks like our script worked. The images are in order.